All right, so the gizmo. Here are your answers. I'm going to go down the density. So for chess piece, 0.5, rock, 4, toy soldier, 1.5, apple, 0.75, ping pong ball, 0.08, egg, 1.01, and penny, 7.5. Noticing that anything is less than 1 will float in the water, and anything more than 1 is sinking in the water. And you should have seen that that egg sunk really slow, because look at this density. Look at how close it is to 1, which is why it took it so long to go down. Activity B, I asked you to just look at a piece of gold, a gold nugget, and 2 different crowns. And you should have gotten your density of crown 1 being 0.84, crown 2, 19.3, and the gold nugget being 19.3. So which crown is pure gold? You should have known that number 2 is, because they have the exact same density, which is pretty cool. Then if I had you do the egg experiment, so I asked you to put the egg in different liquids. I asked you to put it in water, and it sinks. Therefore, the liquid is less dense than the egg. So the egg sinks, which means the egg is more dense. So this is kind of tricky, so you really need to think about it. Same with the oil. It sank and it's less dense. Gasoline, the egg sank and it's less dense. Then we have the seawater, where it floats and it's more dense. And the corn syrup, where the egg floated, so the liquid is more dense. So then I asked you to really think about it, and I asked you to think about it with Archie and his beakers. He has a block of wood and a block of steel. The beaker that has the lowest density is beaker C. That is because both of those blocks sunk to the bottom, which means that they are both more dense than the liquid, leaving the liquid being the least dense of them all. Make sure you make any corrections using your red pen.